Okey, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okey, selamat pagi kepada bukan selamat pagi lah selamat tengah hari kepada murid-murid CBN. Okey, murid-murid tingkatan 4 especially 4E. Hari ni video ni khas untuk murid-murid 4E. Okey, untuk murid-murid kelas lain, you guys also can refer to this video as your part of the exercise. Okey, if I say okey, waalaikumsalam pada yang memberi salam. Okay, okay, please share dulu. Okay, sila update kehadiran. Okay, kehadiran kita ambil Alright, so kehadiran perlu diambil dan dihantar kepada school management because of COVID-19 punya cuti must still continue for another 2 more weeks. So I hope benda ni boleh cepat habis dan then I found that it's comfortable untuk guna benda ni juga. Okay, live class macam ni. So maybe after this, maybe kalau dah habis bila dah habis COVID-19 punya case ni, maybe Saturday or Sunday. Maybe Saturday lah, Sunday tak boleh lah. Saturday kita boleh ada kelas macam ni. Tapi I will check my schedule lah because I have another tuition. So kalau I sempat dan kita akan buat kelas macam ni lah supaya during the school normal period dekat sekolah kita tak perlu ulang lagi sebab kita bincang waktu break cuti. Okay, waktu cuti, especially Saturday. Alright. So please share dulu baru naik. Okay, baru 10 orang. Okay. So teruskan lagi. Okay. Today we going to discussing the exercise 1.5 which is the last the last topic for chapter 1. This for today for today. Okay, welcome semua orang. Okay, selamat datang. Okay, welcome. Korang jangan tidur, dah tengah hari. Alright. So, okay. I'll give you give another friend untuk login. Okay, we give 1 more minutes before we start. Okay, 1 minit lagi Okay, if you get a problem, you guys can write your question on the live chat here ataupun your answer. If I'm asking you what is the answer, you may also can write your answer. Doesn't matter if the answer is correct or not. Doesn't matter. Okay, if the answer is correct, okay lah, which is good for you. But if incorrect, we discuss together. That is the purpose why we learn maths. Okay. So, right. Okay. Number of participants sudah increase. Okay. Okay, so I rasa tak perlu tunggulah. Okay. So, we start now. Okay, look at the exercise 1.5. Okay, 1.5 we got 2 questions here. Yeah. 2 questions. Number 1, A, B, C, D. Number 2, A, B, C, D. And from my previous video that I did with 4N, I think last week or last 2 weeks, I don't remember. Last week, I think that is my first video on YouTube. So I already discussed 1A and B, and number 2 C and D. Okay, number 1A and B, number 2 C and D. You may refer to the previous video. I mean the first video. Okay, the first video. Okay, the first video. So you may refer that question. So now I want to discuss number 1, C and D with you, and number 2, A and B. Right? 4 questions today. Okay. So we still okay. I will go live. Live for 30 minutes, and then we stop. Okay. So right. So now number 1 C. Okay. Now look at question number 1 C. So the makcik fx is given. Makcik fx equals to x plus 1 over x minus 3, and the gx equals to 6 over x minus 2. Wow. Both of them is a fraction. Okay. Both of function is a fraction. Tapi perlu takut? Tak perlu. Easy. MX semudah ABC. I told you. Okay. Always remember that. MX semudah ABC. So, The soalan asking you to find the F2 bracket 4 and the G double bracket half. That means, what's that means? Number one, A Roman, find the F double 4. What is mean by F double here? F double mean is the FF, repeated F twice. That means it's a composite function. Show you both way. Okay. So now I show you the first way, the orthodox method. Okay. So the first way, first method, the first method is we split the F double. So that become like this. The F double, which is F power of 2 here, is not power 2. That means FF. So we can write FFX. The 4 here, we just leave it first. We just write FFX. That means F double. So this is composite. We need to compose this makcik. So how we compose? Very easy. F, just write the F back. Okay. F function, the front function, and the back function here. So the back function here, so if you want to solve this problem, right? So you need to insert this whole thing inside this F. Nampak? The first method more complicated. Okay, now what will happen when we insert? Okay, so if you guys do the first method, okay, this is the way. So it will become every huruf X, you need to replace it with a big bracket. So it become a bracket plus 1 over a bracket minus 3. Wow. So it become like this. This is the first way to solve the problem for FFX by using the first method. That means we compose the FFX. It becomes the back function, we just write the x plus 1, x minus 3, and then we insert this whole thing into F again. Now you look at the F again. F is x plus 1, x minus 3, right? I told you when we when we insert the function, you need to remove x and replace it with the big bracket. And plus 1 and minus 3, cut and paste and over. Don't forget to cut and paste. And then inside the big bracket, cut and paste this makcik and put it inside. Nampak tak? It more complicated because we got over, we got fraction, we got over again, we got fraction and minus something. Okay, now, so the problem is actually sampai sini sudah enough, more than enough, because we want to find the value of F double, right? You want to find the value of F double 4 here. So what we need to do is we just replace all the value x here with 4. Masuk saja. We sub the 4 inside here, then we calculate. No need to simplify this fraction. The fraction over fraction over fraction, no need to simplify because we asking you, what the question asking you is to find the value of the composite function, not to find the composite function, to find the value of that composite. So that's why we no need to simplify the equation, but start the 4 straight away. You're supposed to get 4 plus 1 over 4 minus 3 plus 1 over by the same thing. Okay, you are supposed to get this one. Okay, sorry, tak nampak F double 4, the soalan, just substitute the 4 into this x. So you see, all the x I replace with 4. Now you compute everything. What is the answer? Okay, someone calculate for me. Okay, Cameron. Cameron ada Okay, Cameron, okay, Cameron, please calculate, Cameron. Kiara also ada. Putri Melissa. Mana tadi? Hani mana? Hani pula siapa? Bukan Hani. Siapa nama makcik tu? Iman. Iman mana Iman? Tadi Iman online. Sebelum ni Iman. Iman ada. Okay, Iman di sini. Tak perasan Iman. Sorry. Okay, please double check. Okay, everyone. Okay, Waalaikumsalam pada yang memberi salam Okay. So what's the answer? Calculate now. Okay, write down your answer in the live chat comment So you're supposed to get answer here. Alright, that is the end of the first method. Okay, now 5 plus 1. What's that? Answer? Okay, please double check. Please check the answer. And then state the answer here. Okay, the answer. Okay, tiga. Okay, ramai dah respon. Tiga. Okay. So, I don't know the answer, but you need to check yourself. So, oh, sorry cikgu, salah hantar. Salah. Okay, salah hantar. Okay, tak apa. Double check later. Now, I want to show you the second way to solve this problem. Okay. The second way to solve the problem I labeling as second method. So F double 4. Okay. To solve this problem, second method F double 4. Okay, sangat mudah. First step, as usual, split the composite function like this. Split the function. F double mean F big bracket. Instead of X, we replace it with 4. Actually, inside here should be X. But the soalan already give us 4 value of X here. So we replace it with 4. Now, F4. 4 is the object for the function F. So we need to sub this 4 into this makcik. 4 plus 1 over by 4 minus 3. So what will happen? It becomes 4 tambah 1 over by 4 minus 3. You're supposed to get another value which is equals to 5. 4 plus 1, 5 over by 4 minus 3, 1. 5 over by 1, 5. Now, our question is F double 4. To solve by using the second method, we split the F like this, but the back F, we need to write the 4 value here, not X, because the 4 is even. Now, 4 become the object of this function F. So 4 you need to replace inside the function of F, which is all the X value you need to replace with 4. 4 plus 1, 5 over by 4 minus 3, 1. 5 divided by the 1 is 5. Now, 5 become the new object for the last F here, the front F. Okay, 5 here because of this one. You simplify. Then 5 become the object. You need to insert again inside this F. Now look at your F here. X plus 1 over X minus 3, right? You need to replace 5 here. So what will happen? It becomes 5 plus 1 over 5 minus 3. So 6 over by 2, jawapannya 3. Yes, betul. Jawapan Fasiha, jawapan Sarah, jawapan siapa lagi? Okay, Petra dan so on. Memang the answer is 3. Now, there's 2 ways to solve the problem. First method, second method. It's up to you. We are living in free country, right? As I always told you, you want the highway or you want the you want the long way or you want the highway. Depends on you. Okay? So I leave it for you. I leave it to you which method you prefer to use. It's up to you, Okay, that will be number 1C. Settle. The answer is sorry. That's first question, F double. Now, look at 1C, the second question, G double half. Okay, so for the next question is G double, still number 1C, number 1C, but G double half. I'm using the second method, Okay, I'm using the second method. Okay, Fika, yes, Fika. Oh, Fika, bagi kalian. Okay, so the G double here, okay, the G double half. Okay, I'm using second method. So first step, we split the G so that it becomes like this. The G big bracket G half. Alright. So this G half is the object of this G. That means you need to replace this 1 over 2 inside the function of G. This G, not the front, but this one. So look at the function of G. The function of G given is, okay, G big bracket 6 over X. Now, our X, we need to replace with 1 over 2 minus 2. That is, okay, the function of G here is 6 over by X minus 2. Now, this X we replace with 1 over 2 here. So we compute this makcik, you supposed to get, okay, 6, sekejap, reset. Okay, 6 divided by 1/2 minus 2. You're supposed to get 4. Okay? You're supposed to get, sorry, negative 4. You're supposed to get G, but this thing you compute, you're supposed to get negative 4. Negative, tak nampak kat sini, negative 4. Now, negative 4 become the object for another G. Now, substitute again. Then it becomes 6 over, the value of x will replace with negative 4 now. Okay. 6 over by negative 4 minus 2. Actually, the bottom become negative 6. So 6 divided by negative 6, the answer will become negative 1. Okay, guys, ada soalan. You may leave your question in the live chat here. Okay, any question, girls? Any question? Can we proceed to the next question? Number 1, donkey. 1 donkey. So, faham everyone? Okay, faham ya? Alright. So, kalau tak ada masalah, now look at the 1B. Okay, 1B. Alright, yes. Okay, thank you. So, now, let's move to the 1D. 1D, the function is given fx equals to x squared minus 4 and the gx equals to 2 over x minus 2. Now, this is the soalan number 1 donkey. Fx is given by x squared minus 4 and gx equals to 2 minus x of 2 over by x minus 2. First soalan asking you is find the f double negative 1. And the second question is find the g double of 1. So, I'm using the second method. Okay, if you want to use the first method, okay, free country, use, no problem at all. Okay, so, but you can check the answer if you apply the second method, you can check both answer. Okay, is that similar or not? If tak sama, then it may be something wrong. Okay, something wrong dekat your calculation. Okay, now, so first f double x. First step, we need to split the f double so that it become f double negative 1 f double negative 1, it become f negative 1 close bracket like this. Okay, f double negative 1 equals to f big bracket f negative 1 here. We need to split the f double, become ff. So this negative 1, you need to insert into this f, not outside f. Insert inside this f, the middle f here. So when we insert the negative 1, it become the outside f, you need to cut and paste. But the equation is x squared minus 4. That the x you need to replace with negative 1. Then don't forget to square. And you're supposed to get negative 1 squared is 1 minus 4, which is equals to negative 3. Negative 1 squared equals to 1 minus 4 equals to negative 3. So now negative 3 is your new object for another f. The outside f here is a function f, and they have the object which is equals to negative 3. Now look at the function of f, x squared minus 4, right? So you need to replace negative 3 inside this x. So what will happen? It become negative 3 squared equals to 9 minus 4, which is equals to 5. 9 minus 4 equals to 5. Okay, so this is the end. The answer equals to 5. 9 minus 4. Okay. Alright, that is D1. Okay, how about D2? Okay, the second question is find the G double 2. Okay, so G double 1 G double 1 here. G double 1. Okay, sambungan Ini soalan lain Ini soalan dia naik ke atas ni. Okay, G double 1. So the first step, as usual, we split the function. It becomes GG1. Okay, GG1, that is. G double 1 become GG1. So you solve this G1 first, the bracket. Okay, so you're supposed to get the G outside, cut and paste. The G1 here is 2 over by x minus 2. So it becomes 2 over 1 minus 2. So you're supposed to get 2 over by negative 1. The answer is negative 2 here. Okay, when we sub the x with 1 here, because the function is given by 2 over x minus 1, right? X minus 2, 2 over by x minus 2. So this x, we replace by 1 because this is 1. So 2 over by 1 minus 2 equals to negative 2. Now, negative 2 become the new object. So you need to you need to insert into G again. So your G is 2 over negative 2 minus 2 now. Okay? So it become 2 over negative 2 minus 2. It become 2 over by negative 4. The final answer, negative half. Okay? So when you replace the x here with negative 2, it becomes 2 over by negative 4. So 2 over by negative 4, simplify, it becomes negative 1 over 2. Make sure the negative sign you must write in the middle of the fraction or on the top of the fraction. You cannot write the negative at the denominator region. If you write the negative at below, at the bottom of the fraction like this, it will be wrong. Negative sign must be in the middle or on the top of the fraction. Alright? So that will be the end of question 1D. Okay, ada soalan guys? Ada soalan tak? Before kita masuk soalan number 2. Habis soalan number 1, C and D. Okay, ada soalan? Please respon kat sini. You guys boleh respon dekat live chat sini. Okay, don't worry. Video I akan share dalam YouTube nanti. You guys boleh komen juga di sana. Dan kalau ada soalan, you guys boleh tinggalkan kat sana dan sebagainya. Okay. Okay, bagus. Okay, Fika kata no problem. Okay. Fasihah pun kata faham. Alright. So let's proceed to number 2, the last question before we end the class. Okay, number 2A and B. 2A and 2B. Alright. For each of the following function, find the value of object x. That means, first question, we are talking about to find the value of the composite function when the x is given. The second question now, the value of the composite is given. Find the value of x. Now we need to revert our method. Before our method from the top to the bottom, now we need to revert from bottom to up. Okay? So let's do number 2A. Alright, number 2A. So fx is given by 2x tolak 5 and the gx equals to 10 over x. And also, the extra information given here is fgx equals to 5. This is the soalan number 2A. Okay, number 2A. Fx is given, gx is also given, the fgx also given, which is 5. The first question we are looking to answer here, number 5 here, is the final answer. But now, for second question, the final answer is given 5. We want to find the value of x, makcik x here. How much this makcik x here? Okay. So, to solve this problem, we need to use the first method. Even though it's a long way to solve the long method, but still we need to use. We cannot apply second method to solve this problem. Second method, if we want to find the value of composite, x given, find the 5. Okay, yes, you can use the second method. But the second question here, all the question A, B, C, D, I discussed A and B. All the question, you need to use the first method to solve the problem. That means you have no choice. You need to compose the function first, and then you can find the value of x. Now, let's do the compose function. First step, as usual, split the function. and rewrite the function and inserting the function. Okay. So now, guys, this is our soalan. Find the value of x when the fgx equals to 5. Fg is a composite function. So according to the first method, we need to compose f and g. So it becomes f big bracket gx. Gx is given from the top is 10 over x here. So how we compose? Okay, if you refer to the previous video that we learned before, okay, so how we compose is we need to insert this maksud 10 over x into f. Insert into f. Look at the function f. It's a 2x minus 3, right? 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. So you need to copy 2. You need to copy minus 5. And then what happened to this x? This x, you need to replace it with the big bracket. And don't forget equals to 5 at the back, because the information given to you is equals to 5, the composite. Now, this big bracket is replaced it with 10 over x. You need to insert 10 over x here. Okay. Okay, you need to insert the 10 over x. So now simplify this whole thing. Okay, when we do the simplification here, it become like this. Okay, oh, become like this. Okay, 20 over x equals to 10. Why? Because 2 times 10, 20 over x. This is negative 5, right? Move to the right side, it becomes 5 plus 5, which is 10. I want to find x. So x is the denominator. Bring up here, it becomes 20 equals to 10x. So x equals to makcik 2. Okay, so since 20 over x equals to 10, then x move it here, it becomes 20 equals to 10x. So 10 move it this side, it becomes divide. So 20 divided by 10 equals to 2. Okay, settle the first question A to A. Any problem, guys? Okay, ada masalah ke? Faham or not, everyone? Kita dah habis number 2A. Sangat mudah, sangat laju. Soalan? Ada soalan? Ada soalan nak tanya? Kalau tak ada, okay. Kalau tak ada, I proceed to seterusnya. Dan jika anda ada soalan, anda boleh komen nanti dekat YouTube video tu nanti. Okay? Alright. So, look at the last question to be. Okay, kita ada 3 minit lagi sebelum the next class. Korang punya next class kan lepas ni kan? Pukul 2 kan? Okay? Alright. Okay, so the 2B. The function given is fx equals to x squared minus 1 and gx is given by 2x plus 1 and the gfx equals to 7. Okay, now fx given, gs given, girlfriend also given, also equals to 7 given. The value of this composite function is given. That means we want to find x here. So similar like the first question, number 2A here, we need to apply first method to solve this problem because the value is already given here. We want to find the object. So we need to apply first method. Tak boleh guna second method. Please remember, the second method if the soalan is similar like the first question. Yang tadi tu, previous question. Now second question is different way. Okay, they give you the final value. We need to revert back our method from the bottom to up. Okay, so now to solve the problem, as usual, we need to compose. So when you do the composite function, g f x, you need to split the function. So it becomes g function f x squared minus 1, right? Yeah, minus 1. And then you need to insert the fx into g. Okay. Alright. So the gfx equal to 7. Split the function first, the gfx here. And then this fx makcik ini you need to replace with the value of function f. Okay, here. Then don't forget equal to 7 because the information given to us is equal to 7, the composite. And then this makcik x squared minus 1, you have to insert into G. How you insert? Look at the G. G is 2x plus 1. I told you, the whole of x you need to replace with the big bracket. But the 2m plus 1 you need cut and paste. 2x plus 1. But that x, buang, remove the x and replace with the big bracket and cut and paste this value inside. And put it inside here. Now, we start expand and solve the problem. So, it becomes 2x squared minus 2 plus 1 minus 7. Why minus 7? Because this one. When I expand the equation, 2x squared is already positive. Okay. When the quadratic is already positive, so let it be positive. So, the value of a, let it be positive. So, 2, negative 1, negative 2, plus 1, and 7, I move to the left side so that it becomes minus 7 equal to 0 here. So, simplify everything. 2x squared, negative 2 plus 1, negative 1, minus 7, negative 8, equals to 0. Right? Okay. Sampai sini okay ya? Now, we want to find x. This is a quadratic equation. But there's only x squared without x. So there's no value of b here. Only value a and c. If we have this kind of equation, only have value a and c, we can simplify this equation. We can solve this problem by removing the number, the value of c to the right side, so that it become, okay, so that it become 2x squared equals to 8, because the negative 8, I move to the right, it becomes positive. And 2 and x squared, they are times. So 2, I move to the right, it becomes divide. So that's why x squared equals to 4. Now, ini yang ramai selalu salah. What is the value of x? Tell me, what is the value of x? Okay, x squared equals to 4, right? X squared equals to 4. How much your x? Okay, please respond to the live chat here. Tell me what is your answer. Siapa yang salah ni ketuk dengan kereta ni. Okay, jawapan. X squared equals to 4. So, how much your x? Okay, guys. Jawapan, guys. Cepat. Masa dah nak habis. Okay. Someone said, okay, Petra said jawapan 2. Cameron said, Cameron, what's your answer? Plus minus 4. Okay. Alright. So, the answer is yes. The answer Sarah betul Sarah yang jawab dulu. Okay. So, jawapan ni ialah plus minus 2. When you do the square root, whatever number, as long as a positive answer, as long as a positive value, as long as a positive value, when you do the square root, the answer always plus minus 2. Ramai dah betul kan? Nampak? Tak take back cikgu. Tak boleh. I cannot take back your answer because you already state your answer, positive 2. You forgot. Every time you do the square root of positive value, the answer always plus minus 2. So, therefore, jawapan for x will be x equals to 2 or x equals to negative 2. Okay, that will be the end of the calculation for second question. Okay, Sarah, jawapannya plus minus 2, betul. Okay, so everyone now you understand, right? Second question here. Okay, so that will be the final question. Okay, so if you guys ada problem, you guys boleh share ataupun boleh tanya, boleh leave a comment dalam video ni nanti, dan I akan follow up later lah untuk the next class. Okay, I will see you the next class. Kita follow our timetable timetable yang dah di-share oleh sekolah CBN. Okay, oleh management. Kalau ada apa-apa problem, just leave it your question ataupun masalah dekat komen Okay, so I will see you guys next class. So I wish you happy holidays. Okay, bye everyone.